In today's fast-paced world, finding a moment of peace and clarity can be challenging. However, one simple yet powerful tool can help you navigate through life's complexities: journaling. Journaling is more than just putting pen to paper. It's a therapeutic practice that can significantly enhance your mental clarity and emotional health. The benefits of journaling for mental health. 1. Stress reduction. Journaling provides an outlet for expressing your thoughts and feelings, which can reduce stress and anxiety. 1. By writing down what's on your mind, you can better understand your emotions and identify stressors. 2. Emotional release. It serves as a safe space to vent frustrations and process feelings. 2. This emotional release can lead to a greater sense of calm and emotional stability. 3. Enhanced self-awareness. Regularly journaling helps you become more aware of your thoughts, behaviors, and patterns. 3. This self-awareness is crucial for personal growth and understanding. 4. Problem solving. Writing about challenges can help you see them from a new perspective, making it easier to brainstorm solutions and develop action plans. 5. Memory and cognition. Journaling can improve memory and cognitive function by organizing thoughts and experiences. 5. It also helps reinforce learning and retention of information. Getting started. Journaling prompts. Starting a journaling practice can be daunting, but these prompts can help you get started. 1. Gratitude list. Write about 3 things you are grateful for today. 1. Reflect on why they are important to you. 2. Daily highlights. Describe the best part of your day and what made it special. 3. Emotional check-in. How are you feeling right now? What emotions are you experiencing and what might be causing them? 4. Future goals. Write about your short-term and long-term goals. 4. What steps can you take to achieve them? 5. Stream of consciousness. Spend 10 minutes writing whatever comes to mind without censoring yourself. 5. This can help uncover subconscious thoughts and feelings.